Continue our coverage tonight with that proposed sports complex and event center at Antlers Park in downtown Colorado Springs. A lot of questions being raised, including, is it legal, first and foremost? Also, what about parking? The impact on surrounding businesses? We're digging deeper into those questions tonight. News 5's Laura Wilson live at Antlers Park joins us now, getting some answers, we hope. Laura.
Well, City Council did hold an executive session this morning. Now, it's closed to the public, so we're not sure what they talked about, although we're pretty sure legality was brought up at some point during the meeting. They're not commenting on that right now. But as far as the parking goes, developers say there's already enough spots downtown, especially considering most of these special events would be held on the weekends. However, there is a daycare sitting adjacent to the park that would very likely be affected if City Council signs off on this proposal. The city still hasn't said whether developers are allowed to build a stadium at a historic downtown site.
We believe that we're not in violation of anything.
Switchbacks president Nick Reagan, along with Perry Sanders, is proposing a 10,000-seat stadium and events center at Antlers Park. Something not in the proposal, though, is additional parking spots or structures.
Monday through Friday during business hours, there's about 25,000 people that commute into downtown Colorado Springs. I think it's maybe a fourth or less on the weekends.
He says there's over 8,000 parking spots downtown, including a nearby parking garage that can hold up to 1,500 cars.
And the city also has planned two further blocks south along Sierra Madre and a little bit to the east to build a new parking structure.
There's another component to this proposal. An Early Connections Learning Center sitting on a piece of land that was once part of the park but sold to the city exclusively for use as a daycare. If the city grants this proposal, though, that could mean the land would be allowed for use other than just childcare. But Early Connections says they don't plan on closing their doors.
We have about 90 families that we serve down here, children and families that we serve down here, and we know we need a need in the community.
One of the options presented to City Council would mean incorporating the child care center into the new events center. So right now, Early Connections is working on a plan that would keep them open at this site even during hypothetical construction.
We would be actively involved in part of designing or negotiating or whatever needs to happen for the space that we need for operations.
So next Tuesday, City Council will hold a public meeting and they'll talk about what was discussed during today's meeting. They really want to gauge that public feedback to see if it's even worth moving forward, having the discussion on this proposal. We will continue to bring you coverage early next week on all of that. Watching out for you at Antlers Park, Laura Wilson, News 5.